US manufacturing, if you look at the market we've chosen that we're growing in now, and not just in Australia, but even globally, even though it's a start point for us, the defence and aerospace market. And that's a very high precision, very technical, and in some respects a very controlled market too. We have to abide by certain standards. You just cannot build something and just say here, it must meet certain international standards or customer requirement standards, and that the US manufacturing is very fluent already in working to standards that we already work with. We don't have to retrain anyone in that respect. They've already got automated equipment and machinery. They've already got well-trained, well-educated, experienced staff that we can use. What we have to do is get all those skills and those technologies and meld them together to work the way we want Varley's to work here, and be able to create a business that's going to have the customers coming to us where they really want us to solve their problems for them and to service their needs, and for us to design something new that's hopefully going to make them very happy. So we really need to get ourselves a solid base on the ground in the United States. Hence we find an acquisition is going to be the best path to go down. But one of the keys to achieving that is making sure that this first acquisition we do is the right acquisition, and it's the right building block for us here in the United States. We need to get a business that's going to have, as I said, a nice size about it and to be able to build off it. But we envisage too that we'll be then making other acquisitions along the way to help grow Varley's. And while probably the first business needs to be a little more orientated around what Varley's do now in design and manufacture, future acquisitions can get a little more speculative then in looking at new emerging technologies, and probably taking greater risks in trying to predict future markets and make sure that we're going to be there to service them.